A 30-minute full-body workout to do at home. Practicing self-care by feeding your body nutritious meals and getting in a full-body workout can help boost your mood, improve your sleep, and help ward off injury, illness, and disease. Here's a 30-minute full-body workout you can do at home, on your own time. Do it first thing in the morning before anything else gets in the way, on your lunch break, when you get home from work, you choose. 30-minute full-body workout. Ready to get your sweat on? Do this 30-minute full-body workout that will work all the major muscle groups. You don't need any equipment, just your own body weight and a little room to move. Here's how it works. Perform each exercise for 1 minute. Rest for 30 seconds in between each move. Once you finish all of them, go back to the top and repeat everything again, making a 30-minute full-body workout. Basic squat. A. Stand tall with your feet hip distance apart. Your hips, knees, and toes should all be facing forward. B. Bend your knees and extend your buttocks backward as if you are going to sit back into a chair. Make sure that you keep your knees behind your toes and your weight in your heels. Rise back up and repeat. Squat jumps. A. Start standing with feet hip distance apart and lower into a squat position by bending the knees. Keep the spine straight, chest lifted, and knees behind toes. Arms are in front of the chest for balance. B. Jump straight up and swing arms overhead. Return to squat. Dive bomber push-ups. A. Begin with your hands and feet shoulder width apart, and your hips raised so that your body forms an inverted VB, keeping your shoulder lowered away from your ears. Bring your chest forward between your hands as you bend your arms. C. Continue to glide through as you straighten your arms and bring your chest up. Your hips will now be hovering just above the floor. To finish the push-up, reverse the glide, raising your hips back up. Burpees. A. Start in a plank position with arms and legs long, hands shoulder distance apart. B. Walk or jump both feet between your hands, coming into a low squat. Jump straight up as high as possible, land, and come back to your plank position. Side lunges. A. Start standing with legs slightly wider than shoulder distance apart and toes pointed forward. B. Shift your body weight to one leg, bending the knee until it reaches a 90-degree angle and the other leg is straight. Then switch sides. Skaters. A. Start with your legs slightly wider than shoulder distance apart and arms at the sides. B. Bring one leg behind at a slight angle into a reverse lunge. The front knee will come to a 90-degree angle. C. Swing the arms in front of that bent knee and leap the back leg forward to switch sides in a skating motion. Arms alternate as you switch sides like a speed skater. Tricep dips. A. Start seated with knees bent and feet on the floor. Place hands directly under the shoulders with finger facing your feet, and lift hips to a hover. B. Bend elbow straight back and use your triceps to press back up. Crab walk. A. Begin by sitting on the floor with your feet hip distance apart in front of you. Bring your arms behind you with your hands flat on the floor. Raise yourself off the floor. B. Begin crawling forward by moving your left hand, followed by your right foot, and then your right hand followed by your left foot. Glute bridges. A. Lie on back with bent knees hip distance apart, and feet flat on mat stacked under the knees. B. Engage the core and squeeze your glutes as you lift your hips to a bridge. Hold and squeeze a few seconds and return to mat with control. Bend extend a flat tuck. A. Start seated on mat with arms behind you and fingers facing your back. Sit back on your hands and lift up your feet off the mat, keeping the knees bent. B. Keep abs tight and press your legs out long, coming back onto forearms. You should feel your lower abdominals working, then push yourself back up and pull your knees in to return to your starting position. Thanks for watching this video. For more informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel. Press the bell icon for timely information.